Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this look that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring Yolissa Hair. Big shout out to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have this bomb caramel honey blonde balayage straight lace front wig. So the exact name on the website is caramel honey blonde balayage on brown hair. So it does have a base of brown with caramel highlights, and there's this super pretty blonde highlight towards the front. I love that peekaboo. Like, we have this in 22 inches on the website. She's available in 14 inches all the way up to 24. So we're gonna get into the rest of the specs. This is a 13x4 frontal, a true 13x4. So when I use the term true 13x4, that means you can part it on the sides as well as down the center. You do not lose that 4 inches of parting space as you go towards the ear tabs, okay? So that is a true 13x4, and we love that. When it comes to density, this is 180 density. This baby is thick. When I straighten this hair, I split it down the center, and you can see that it is just so much hair. It's exactly what we need when it comes to a straight wig. With straight hair, you definitely want the density to be right, because the last thing you want to do is be able to see through the hair. So this is a transparent lace, so I did add a little bit of powder to the lace just for a better melt, just so it would blend better with my skin, and that definitely did the trick. So the cap size is a universal cap size. It is average, but this definitely has stretch. This is big head friendly. I still have plenty of space within this cap, and it does have stretch, so I can definitely see this stretching to fit a larger head. So this universal cap size is actually universal. I did bleach the knots once it arrived, and I let it air dry. Otherwise, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Listen, I think that they did a really good job with the caramel highlights, but it is the blondes in the front that really sets this off. I love this. It's like a little twist that they added to it that made it that much better. So I do love that. So all the details for this unit will be down in the description box. Definitely check the comments, because if I have a discount code, that's where it will be. As far as Yolissa Hair, I have worked with Yolissa Hair before, but it was years ago. Definitely shout out to Yolissa Hair for sending over this gorgeous wig. You guys did your thing when it comes to this transition of color. Absolutely love it. Shout out to y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video. Comment down below if you're feeling this look and this little side part. You know, I am a middle part gal. I love a center part. That's what I like. But this is cute too. Listen, I might have to get into these side parts because this is giving. I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.
First of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you claim, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you act this strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. What's up with this? Tell the truth, who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clique? I'm trying to change it now. Say you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this strange. If nobody's holding back from me, I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Sort of change. together we can't lose. And I know you're always down for something new. When we're making love, girl, let's put on a show. Until the days come, you will be my vixen, my better be a stain. You will hit the spotlight all night, and every time you play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. A captivating performance every time. You will be my vixen, my better be a stain. You will hit the spotlight all night, and every time you play. You will be my vixen as we improvise, delivering a captivating performance every time.
Yeah. I'm just in the bus sitting sideways, way that you looking all the time. Time gets a ticking and it takes a toll. Told you I couldn't really draw the line. Line ringing saying that you told him things that you could've kept inside. Sidetracking me when I was good to you. You were somebody I would stand behind. I know you like to drink to the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all summer, ride for your brother, you die for your mother, keep that shit 100. I know you wanna vacate to a place where you could take pictures, post on Insta. Your friends say they miss you, but they don't really miss you.